Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert numbers into Microsoft Word document. But before you get started, I just want to ask you that if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. We upload nearly a new tutorial every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you don't want to miss out on anything, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. But yeah, I don't want to waste any more time. Let's just jump right straight into this. Now if you look into here, I already have my Microsoft Word document open up. Now in case you are wondering, this is a table that we created in our previous tutorial where I show you how you can insert a table into Microsoft document, and I also show you how you can format the table. So if you want to check them out, the link will be in the description for all those videos. But if you already checked them out and you just want to know how you can insert numbers into a document, then I will definitely show you into this tutorial. Now let's get started. So all you have to do is just click on this insert here. Click on this insert tab, make sure it's open up. Now if you come into here, you will see you got page numbers, right? So just click on there and then this option should show up. So if you want to insert it at the top, come on here at the bottom of the page, at the page margin, and then at the current position, right? All that. So usually numbers, they appear at the bottom of the page, so click on bottom of the page and then this option should be showing up. So if you want to insert it on your left, click on this. If you want to insert it on your in the center, in the middle, click here, and then if you want to insert it on your right, you got it right there. And then this is other option, which is say one page. So you just choose whichever suits you. Really, it's really just a personal preferences. So I'm just going to go with this in the middle because that's what a lot of people use. So now just click on that and then you should see it's inserted in the footer right here. So once you get that, just cross it off. Now if you look down, you'll see you got this number right here, which is 1. Now if you were to move on to the next page, let's just scroll down and then insert the second page. Now you will see you got number 2 here. So this is page 2. So you insert number. The numbers will already be inserted automatically on the next page, right? So that's how you insert numbers into a document, right? You just come on insert. Let's try another option, insert page number at the bottom. Let's say you want to insert this option, which is one page right here. So now you see you got one and then page, so just cross it off. It's in your footer. Now you see you got it right there, and then on your next page you will see you got page 2. So that's how you insert numbers into a page, right? And then if you want to remove it, just come on insert again, page numbers, and then come on to remove page numbers and then click that. So now you see you will remove the page numbers, right? So yeah, that's how you insert and remove page numbers from a Word document. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please, before you go, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. I would really appreciate that. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.